How to create a Facebook account. I am now going to log out of my personal Facebook account. Click here. Write your name. Add your date of birth. Choose your gender. Now you have to add your phone number, or you can add your Gmail, as I will do. Write a strong password to avoid hacking. From here you can add your profile picture. The account has been successfully created. Great job! If you liked the video, subscribe now and hit the bell icon to receive all our videos. You can also watch the video clip displayed in front of you. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.